Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV. Today, we're cooking a humble Filipino classic with a deeper, more savory twist. Ginisang Ampalaya sa Miso, a flavorful twist on a Filipino classic. The rich umami of miso, paired with tomatoes and pork belly, helps balance the bitterness of ampalaya and turns it into a comforting, everyday ulam. Simple ingredients, deep flavor, and perfect with hot rice. Ingredients: cooking oil, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 medium onion sliced, 6 ripe tomatoes chopped, 250 grams pork belly cut into small cubes, 1/2 cup yellow or white miso paste, 3 tablespoons fish sauce, patis, 1.5 cup water, 1 kilo, approximately 3 medium, ampalaya, thinly sliced diagonally, salt and ground black pepper to taste. Procedure: heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan over medium heat. Sauté garlic until brown. Then add onions and tomatoes until softened. Add pork belly and cook until slightly browned. Add the miso paste and fish sauce. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes to integrate the flavors. Pour in the water. Bring to a boil for 10 minutes or until the pork is tender. Add more water if needed. Add the sliced ampalaya. Cover and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes until tender crisp. Pro tip: avoid over-stirring at this stage, as excessive movement can release more bitterness into the sauce. Season with pepper and a pinch of salt if needed. Serve hot with steamed rice. And there you have it. Ginisang Ampalaya sa Miso. Simple, hearty, and full of umami goodness. This dish is proof that ampalaya doesn't have to be intimidating when cooked the right way. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Sangkap Sarap TV for more delicious Filipino home-cooked dishes. Salamat sa panonood and see you in the next recipe.